Good morning, afternoon, and evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Belinda's Country Living. Today I'm going to take you a walk out to my mailbox. For the last 2 days, I have had a bird that keeps insisting to build a nest in my mailbox. So I want to show you every day for the last 2 days. I've took the nest out and thrown it on the ground. And they build that next day, the next evening, next morning. They're taking pine needles off the ground from my pine trees. Turn around here and let me show you. There's the pine trees out there. So I'm going to take you a walk and I want to show you. And I don't know how they're getting in my mailbox. And you can see the bird is sitting on the mailbox right now. There she goes. Now she's up in the tree. I don't know what kind of bird. There's 2 of them. Oh, they got a sitting up there on the wire. See that bird up there? She's got a mouthful. And I don't want to be mean to the birds. I love birds. But I've got to be able to get my mail. But okay, here's the nest on the ground that I've took out for the last, where that sun is bright. Last 2 days. 1. And right there. Now, they're not going to reuse that. I don't know why, but I guess that's the way it is. I don't know how they're getting in my mailbox. But look here. Inside the mailbox, there's the nest. So, I don't know what the... And I can even, my mailbox, I need a new mailbox. Lo and behold, and I have needed a new mailbox for a couple of years, but I just can't do it. So I'm not sure where they're getting in this mailbox. I'm thinking maybe there was a hole or something underneath it. But I know there's a bee. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I'm going to have to get some silicone out here and fill them hose up. So, I don't know. The poor little birds, they work so hard. But at the same token, I'm thinking that they lay their eggs in there. Them little birds are going to die of the heat. So you tell me in your comments, what would you do? I guess I need to get a birdhouse. That would be nice to have a birdhouse I could put up there maybe in that tree or over there in the pine trees. I don't know. I'll show you one year. You could see this in here. That was a little robin nest. And they did that, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 years ago. Built it right in these artificial flowers. And I just never did do away with the nest because I thought it was very interesting. So I've just left it there. I can remember when my grandsons, they were small when I got them, and they'd come out every morning and check them eggs. They were just darling. So anyway, you could see the robin or whatever kind of bird that is. It's out there in the road right now wanting in the mailbox. So tell me what you would do. There she goes. Oh, so yeah, let me know what y'all would do with this. Would you just keep taking the nest out and be mean? I don't know. And let me walk you out here and we'll show you my irises. And I throwed bulbs out last fall. And I just laid the bulbs on top of the ground. I didn't dig the dirt up or anything. I got this little small ditch right here that I can't get the mower in. And my grandson has to weed eat, and then I'll weed eat. So I'm trying to beautify this ditch. So look how pretty them irises are. Thought I would show that with you. So I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Tomorrow, if it's not raining, I'm going to have to mow grass again. It's about every 2 days. So until the next time, I hope, again, y'all have a blessed day. And as always, thank the Lord for what you have. And be kind in your words. Okay, I'm back on here. This bird is sitting on the mailbox. And she's wanting in the mailbox. So, there's 2 of them. So, I don't know a whole lot about birds. That looks like a blue bird, colored blue. So I'm guessing that is the male and female. They do help each other build a nest. One's up there, they got things in the mouth. There's the other one. They're wanting in the mailbox. And I've got the mailbox closed. So, yeah, I don't know what to do. So, you know, I can't help it. I guess I just got to open the mailbox, let them in. I'll just have to get me another mailbox, I guess. Get another mailbox and use that one for a birdhouse, I guess. Till the next time.